Hey everyone, welcome to the 5-minute challenge to speak English like a pro. I'm Alex, and this is my buddy Jamie.
Hi, I'm Jamie, and I'll be honest, speaking English used to make me super nervous. But Alex promised me this challenge will change everything.
Absolutely, Jamie. We've got 3 fun exercises to boost your confidence in just 5 minutes. No boring stuff, just action. Hit that like button if you're ready, and let's do this. First up, confidence starts with your body. Jamie, strike a power pose like this. It's science. Poses boost your confidence.
I feel like a superhero. Okay, what's next?
Now, say this affirmation with me. I speak English with confidence. My words flow easily. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wow, I actually feel bolder already. Viewers, try this at home. Say it loud.
Exactly. Do this in front of a mirror daily, and you'll feel unstoppable.
Okay, Alex, what's next? My tongue's ready.
Let's loosen up that pronunciation with a tongue twister. Try this. She sells seashells by the seashore. Slow first, then fast. Go.
Seashells, seesaws. Oh man, I butchered that.
That's the spirit. Let's try another. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. 3 times, no laughing.
This is harder than it looks, but it's fun. It really helps my words come out clearer.
See? Tongue twisters are like a workout for your mouth. Keep practicing, everyone. Now, let's steal some native speaker magic. Watch this Friends clip.
How you doing? How you doing? Damn it!
Joey's iconic, how you doing? Jamie, mimic his vibe.
How you doing? Oh gosh, I sound like a cheesy actor.
That was awesome. Okay, my turn. How you doing?
Viewers, pick any show you love, pause after a line, and copy the tone and rhythm. It's like acting, but it makes you sound so natural.
Yep, do this daily and you'll be speaking like a pro in no time. Jamie, you're killing it. And that's it. 3 quick hacks to speak English like a pro in just 5 minutes.
I'm already feeling more confident. Power poses, tongue twisters, and mimicking natives. Try these every day, guys.
Tell us in the comments which exercise was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe for more English tips.
Yeah, help me get better too. Hit that subscribe button.